Hello and welcome back to Bradley Penny Aviation. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing this Emirates 777-300, made by Gemini jets and 1:400 scale. Let's get started. The model is packed away very well inside of this custom-made for Emirates Gemini jets box. The aircraft type, airline logo and Emirates website are all on the front of the box. On the back of the box, it lists the aircraft specifications and general information about the airline and aircraft. It also shows a detailed image of the aircraft itself. And on the sides of the box, it shows the Emirates logo and aircraft type. It is very easy to open up the box. However, as I always mention in my unboxing videos, do be careful when opening. To some collectors, the box is just as important as the model itself. The model was packaged very well inside of this great Gemini jets box. And finally, here it is. A6-ECJ is the registration of the model in front of us now. It is a 12-year-old Boeing 777-300ER, which stands for extra range. Emirates own 132 of these aircraft. Overall, I'm very happy with my model. Gemini Jets did a really good job with this one. If you would like to purchase this model, I will leave a link in the description down below. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, share and subscribe for future model reviews. That's all from me today. Take care and stay safe.